What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video. So this is another how-to video. I was going to edit the video and I realized I didn't make an intro for it. I just went ahead and slapped on the GoPro on the forehead and started recording. So I'm gonna make it kind of like a voiceover, just because all I have is footage. There's no instructions, nothing. And it's my dad and I fixing my brother's radiator on his 2007 Toyota Camry. It's a V6. So I'll just do like voiceover to guide you guys kind of like how we did things. That way it's not just a fast forward video or a sped up video. Anyways, I hope you guys find this video useful. First of all, please comment, please share, subscribe, like. Doesn't cost you nothing. Helps us grow, and a road to 1,000. We're almost there, guys. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. All right, so for starters, we did go ahead and drain out the coolant from the radiator. Then we went ahead and took off the bumper, just a couple bolts, some tabs on top, and it comes off. After that, we did go ahead and take off the bumper support from the top, and I believe we went ahead and took off the radiator support as well. Yes, we did. Took off the top radiator support, went ahead and removed all that stuff, along with the latch. I think it's a latch with the cross bar that goes from the top to the bottom. Went ahead and took that off. Went ahead and took that off as well. So you guys will see up in these couple clips coming up. All right, so for this part, you can't really see it, but what I'm doing down there is clamping up the transmission lines, because they do run through the radiator to cool it down, the transmission fluid. So all we did was just clamp them down. That way it didn't leak all of the fluid out. Right here, we are disconnecting the crossbar and the horns from the wiring harness. That way we could go ahead and remove the upper radiator mount out of the way. Next, we are removing the 4 bolts. I believe it was 410s to get the condenser out of the way, the AC condenser. The upper radiator hose has to come off as well. It's just held on by a pressure clamp. And out comes the radiator, complete with the fan shroud and the 2 fans, completely ready to disassemble. And we have the new radiator right here, ready to assemble. To disassemble the fan shroud from the fan or separate it, it was only, I believe, 6 push clips that hold the fan shroud onto the radiator. We also had to take off the lower radiator hose. Again, just a pressure clamp, take it off with some pliers. Transferring the fan shroud over to the new radiator. And like I said, it's just some push pins. So you just push them into place and it locks the fan shroud. So here we are putting everything back in reverse. Basically everything goes back the same way you took it off, just put it back on in reverse. Same steps. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Well, hopefully it was helpful at least. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe, guys. Thank you guys for the support so far. Appreciate you guys. And as always, if you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, be safe. Till next time, guys.